Hey guys, this is my second tape because the first one I was making, my sister came in and was talking, so I have to do it over again because she was like angry and she doesn't want to be on it and so on. Always complaining, only 16. What I want to tell you is that into Christmas I received 4 books and and a calendar. Actually, they first arrived today. They were from USA, America, and I live in Denmark, so it's a long way. I will go home to so now I am home with my parents right now because they were ordered home to them and not me. And I got 4 books and a calendar. Did I say that once? No. Yeah. So I now want to show you them. The first we have is Ellen Dugan, The Garden Witch's Herbal. It has beautiful illustration. A lot of them are cute. All of them are cute. Yeah, I'm looking forward to use it because I'm a herb witch. A lot of herbs, and I have a little garden at home, as you have seen before, just covered in snow. And this is from Scott Cunningham. It's called The Complete Book of Incense, Oil and Brews. It seems okay, but I'm Danish, so I read actually very good English, but whatever he is, Scott Cunningham's book is hard for me to read. I don't know, something about them is just hard words. Oh, the little doggy. This is one of my dogs. Can you see Molly? Molly, say hi. Say hi. Oh, she wants to go out to the mother. She loves my mother. Yeah, like that. Oh, and my little cat. My lovely little pussycat. Say hi, Missy. Say hi. Little cat. Missy. Yeah, he loves me. I'm sure he does. Want to go out, Joe? Come, Miss. So, good. Oh, and that is the final dog, Freya. Back to the books. Sorry. Okay. The third book I have is a kitchen witch cookbook, and it is by Patricia Telesco. It is what it stands, a cookbook. What it says, a cookbook, and it is sweet pictures in it and so on. It's nicely illustrated, and some of the recipes looks quite lovely, and from different places in the world. So I am looking forward to try some of these, and maybe if you're lucky, I will show you the finished result. The fourth book I got. It was Voices of the Earth, The Path of Green Spirituality from Claire Denon. I think it's pronounced like that. It don't really have any illustration, but this was the book I was looking forward to see most of all the books, because I don't know, it's explained about what you called it. I just have to think here. About how to speak with earth and trees and plants and everything, and something about healing and really in contact with nature firsthand. I've read a couple of pages and it is lovely. So this was the last book, and the last thing I got is the Witch's Calendar 2011. It is beautiful illustrated, owls and pumpkins and women playing. So, and death, cats and so on, moon and everything. And it also have nice illustration. This is January. It is a English calendar, of course. So a couple of things in it will not fit for the Danish tradition and so on, and play, what do you call it, time for the moon and so on. But more or less, it is pretty much correct. 2 seconds. I think my music starts weird. So this is very nice too. So now I can figure out how to figure out when or different Sabbats it is. I know them, but the calendar helps a little. So that was it, actually. It was a lot of things, I think. And I'm looking forward to read all my things, all my books. Yeah. I think that was it. So, blessed be everybody. Hi.